So it looks like Buzz Lightyear is not here, but he told me to meet him here because this is his ride. So he must be Ford, because he says he knows where Leith is. So we're gonna try finding Lee's on this ride, where Buzz Lightyear tells me where Leith is. All right, so that's what we're gonna do.
All right, Space Rangers, aim for the seas. Remember, the targets are worth more when they're wet.
All right.
Please face forward. Back in your seat.
Oh, it's gonna come. It's gonna come to us. Whee! All right. I got you now. I forgot to steer. I thought you're beating me. You're tricking me to turn somewhere.
Fools! You thought you could stop me? You have destroyed my treasure, but not much.
Attention, Space Rangers. Your space cruisers have been temporarily halted. Please remain seated. Your mission will resume shortly.
Fools! You thought you could stop me? You have destroyed my treasure, but not much. No one can stop me now. One of these balls.
Attention, Space Rangers. Your space cruise will now be restarted. Please resume your mission.
Are you beating me? How are you beating me?
So you can start.
I'm catching up. I'm catching up. Oh, you beat me like 100 points. Come on.
It's been an honor, sir. Jerry says, boarded and serving your man. Don't forget the holster.
What is going on with shooting? You're not supposed to be beating me on shooting game. Well, I didn't see Leith in there either, so. What is so? Nope.
Space cruisers have
We've come to a complete stop. Well, we did find Lee's, but we have a lot more for Disneyland, so stay tuned for that. We'll find her. I know we will. I'm pretty sure we will. But that was fun. She cheated. How did she cheat? How did you do that?